action.
Today we are at one of my favorite places in Pennsylvania, Penn State University's Berkey Creamery, super famous for its ice cream. I'm excited to taste test 2 flavors. Comment below and tell me which flavors you think I got.
So one of the benefits of having a child that is looking at schools is we get to go do college visits. And we're here in Penn State at State College in Pennsylvania. The best part of it is that we get to go to the Berkey Creamery and have their ice cream because they're known for their food certificate for ice cream. One of the most famous people that they have graduate is Ben & Jerry's, right? So they had this 2-week certificate that they got and they created Ben & Jerry's. So, oh, by the way,
The school has
225 cows that produce close to 5 million gallons of milk, and from this store over here they have 700,000 people coming in getting a scoop of ice cream, and they also produce millions of gallons of containers of ice cream along with cheese. So
the creamery helps support the Department of Food Science.
I have here, who can guess what this is? This is Peachy Paterno, the head coach of the football team, right? This is Death by Chocolate. So I had 2 different ones that I want to try out for you. All right, there we go. So I got the cup with a cone on top. I just want to make sure I could eat this. Let me get a napkin here. So this is one of my favorite ice creams. One of the things you think about ice cream is when they make it, it has 14.1% butter fat. This has about 50%, I would say 50% air. So when they make ice cream, they churn it, they pump air into it to make it smoother. Otherwise, when they freeze it, it'll be like a block of ice. It's a vanilla base with pieces of peaches. I'm not quite sure if Coach Paterno did like peaches, but they came up with it. You can see that it's not aerated, similar to other ice creams like Breyers might have a lot more, it has probably a lot more air in it. This is a premium ice cream. So with premium ice cream, you usually have between 13 and 18% butterfat and less than 50% air. Now, for the Death by Chocolate in edible container. Good thing about the chips is that it gives, I like that contrast between the fudge pieces, piece of chocolate, the hardness of the chips, and the softness and smoothness of the ice cream. You can see there's not that much air in it because see how dense it is? Comment below with your favorite flavor of ice cream. If you're in the neighborhood passing through Pennsylvania, this is a stop you have to go to. Regardless if you're visiting a school or not. Cool to know that you can actually learn how to make ice cream, the process of it, and build a business out of it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Yeah, I'm recording.